Today is June 30, 2026. The scheduled pre-bid conference for our two infrastructure projects. This is done at Indian Bulawan Fisher.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Let not be us.
Mela, please continue the forum for today's proceedings.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Before we start the private conference, we would like first to acknowledge all here present. We have our budget person, William Patrick Gibbering presiding,
Present.
led by Secretary Jan Philip M. Rivera, back member Mary Joy P. Kiope, back member Celso P. Concepcion, back member Lilian S. Nagigot, back member Sherrington S. Danao, PWG member Leighton Bruno, back secretary Melman Camayo, PWG member Wardor Buckley, back secretary Adalia Taguba, PWG head Marjorie Bulawan, back secretary GMA Espejo, back secretary Dea C. Mendoza, PWG member Panicon Salvador, back secretary yours truly MC Gonzalez, PWG member Angelica Nicolet, PWG member John Michael M. Paradison, PWG member Bernardo Sandelchi. We have a quorum.
Your quorum. Thank you, Mela. I call the back secretariat to read the specific details, technical specification, and bidding requirements of these two projects.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'll proceed to read the content of the private conference. The first project is 26B0037, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Services. Construction of multi-purpose building, Phase 1, Barangay Ikaruyan, Divilacan, Isabela, latitude 17.34 K07, longitude 122.25565. For the brief description, 5 base MPB, earthworks, concrete works, finishing works, roofing system. For the approved budget for the contract, 4,950,000 pesos. For the contract duration, 146 calendar days. Source of fund, GAA 2026. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Next project, 26B0038, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Services. Construction, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Cubag, Cabagan, Isabela, latitude 17.41961, longitude 121.7871. Brief description, removal of existing construction, concrete works, slab, beams. For masonry works, finishing works, plastering, steel painting, doors, and windows. Roofing system, electrical works, conduits. Approved budget for the contract, 2,970,000 pesos. Contract duration, 110 calendar days. Source of fund, GAA 2026. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Technical documents, bid security, original copy of bid security. Technical documents, including the eligibility documents, field certificate of registration, platinum membership, in accordance with the section 20 of the IRR. Under Annex A, list of eligibility documents, mayor's permit, tax clearance, audited financial statement, pickup license, SEC or DTI certificate. In case of joint ventures, special pickup license and registration. Statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Reminder to prospective bidders to fully and truthfully disclose all ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts, including DPWH, other government and private contracts. By submitting the duly accomplished statement, failure to submit and declare any ongoing and awarded but not yet started contract constitutes a ground for disqualification and imposition of appropriate sanctions. Original design and notarized omnibus sworn statement. Under project requirements, organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractor key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their complete qualification data, list of contractors' equipment units, owned, leased, and or under purchase agreements, supported by proof of ownership, lease, purchase, and certification of availability of equipment from leaseor or vendor for the duration of the project. Financial documents, the prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity, audited financial statement and annual income tax return. Financial component envelope, original of due design and accomplished financial bid form, original of due design bid prices in the bill of quantities, and newly accomplished detailed estimate form, including a summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rentals used in coming up with the bid, and quarterly or monthly cash flow and payment schedule. Additional reminders for the prospective bidders. Prospective bidders should be one registered with classified by Philippine Contractors Accredited Board with pickup license category C and D, size range small b. Deadline of submission on or before July 13, 2026 at 2 p.m. Email address for clarification, dpw.isabella1st.gmail.com. Opening of bids July 13, 2026 at 2 p.m. Number of copies of bid proposal, 1 original and 2 copies of bid proposal. Signed by with page number and tagging. Place of submission of bid proposal. Manually, DPWH Isabela 1st District Engineering Office. Electronically, electronics bid _Isabela 1st at dpwh.gov.ph. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. That's all, Mr. Chair.
So, yes, ma'am, thank you. Is there any questions? If there are none, this proceeding is adjourned at 9:30 a.m. Thank you and God bless us all.